Hi guys. I just stopped here at the little wooded area that Sammy goes potty, and apparently there's a lot of cats here, and all the local people will stop by and feed them, and they build little houses for them in here and stuff. I haven't gone back into the woods because I'm not going to get bit by a snake. So today Sammy and I went to Lowe's to get dinner. No, not the lumber store. They have a Lowe's here that's a grocery store, and it's comparable to Publix or Kroger, you know. Anyway, got chicken tender, mashed potatoes, and macaroni and cheese. Yum. Anyway, we couldn't eat all of it, so I brought the last 1.5 chicken tenders over here and broke it up and left it for the cats, and it's right there. So I don't know where they are. They're usually here at this corner just waiting on people to feed them. I know. I got on my cousin a lot for feeding the outside cats. You know, I got suckered into these guys because they're here all the time and they're so cute. I'm sorry. But I don't have to take them home with me, though. They're adorable, but I can't take care of a cat. No. Have a hard enough time taking care of Sammy. But a couple things have irritated the crap out of me today, so I thought I'd share it with you. Now I know some guys, there's guys sometimes, and some girls, hock a loogie out on the sidewalk, or something disgusting, and I can see that if you're out in the wilderness and stuff. But I was coming out of Lowe's grocery store, and I see this guy doing the air hanky thing. And for those of you who don't know what that is, that's when you hold one nostril with your finger and blow real hard out your nose, so whatever's in there will come out the other side. I can watch all the pimple popping videos in the world, but I cannot stand boogers. I don't know. And then he bent over, and I got my eyes were burning. So that's not right. No. If right outside the door of a grocery store, you mean to tell me you couldn't go get a napkin or something? You're in a public parking lot, for crying out loud. Makes me angry. You know what else makes me angry? What burns my butt more than anything? A candle about 2.5 feet tall. I cracked myself up. Here comes some kitties. I don't think you can see them yet. They're hiding behind that the tree. The tree with the green. The tree with the green stuff on it. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, here they come. Here they go. Oh. Hi, sweetie. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Come here, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. He says, oh shit, here we got a crazy human. I'm not going out there. Okay, I'm going to let them eat, so I am going to drive. Hold on. Aw, he's got white feet. Yeah, he's eating a chicken. Okay, if I can get out of here without wrecking the car. Okay, hold on, guys.